Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So today we are going to learn very easy and simple chapter in active English. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, you can easily understand and very simple to understand. Okay, so shall we start? Yes, chapter number 33. Okay, questions ending in prepositions. Okay, questions ending in prepositions. Okay, write questions and answers. Use the words in brackets. Okay, first one, they have given one example. So they have given the words walk, legs. Walk, legs. Okay, what is the question? What do we walk with? What do we walk with? So with is the preposition. Okay, here the question is ending in preposition. Okay, what do we walk with? So we will learn this preposition in grammar chapter. Okay, in grammar. So how to write the answer? We walk with our legs. Okay, we walk with our legs. Okay, so this comes in question. What do we walk with? We walk with our legs. Okay, so similarly we are going to frame a question and we are going to answer these questions using these words in the brackets. Okay, they have given in the brackets. So look at the next one. So they have given write pens. Write pens. So the question is, what do we write with? What do we write with? What do we write with? So we write with our pens. We write with our pens. Okay, we write with the pens. Okay, what do we write with? We write with our pens. Okay. Third one. So they have given measure rulers. Measure rulers. So how to frame question? What do we measure with? Okay. What do we measure with? What do we measure with? The answer is we measure with rulers. Okay, we measure with rulers. Full stop. We measure with rulers. Okay, what do we measure with? We measure with rulers. Okay, so take your active English book, children. Have you all taken? Yes, you can copy down neatly. Okay, write it neatly in your active English book. Okay. Fourth question, draw pencils. Draw pencils. So how to frame question? What do we draw with? Okay, what do we draw with? Yes, what do we draw with? Here draw pencils they have given, isn't it? So what do we draw with? What do we draw with? Question mark. What do we draw with? So the answer is we draw with our pencils. Okay. So we draw with pencils. Full stop. We draw with pencils. Okay, what do we draw with? We draw with pencils. Okay. The next one, they have given see eyes. See eyes. So how to frame a question? What do we see with? Okay. What do we see with? Question mark. What do we see with? The answer is we see with our eyes. Okay. We see with our eyes. Full stop. We see with our eyes. Okay. What do we see with? We see with our eyes. Okay. Next one, sixth one. They have given the words here, ears. Here, ears. So how to frame a question? What do we hear with? Okay. What do we hear with? Question mark. What do we hear with? The answer is using ears we are hearing, isn't it? So how to write the answer? We hear with our ears. Okay, we hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Full stop. Okay. We hear with our ears. Have you all copied down? Okay. Write it neatly. Okay, children. Seventh question. So what are the words they have given? Talk, tongue. Talk, tongue. So how to frame a question? What do we talk with? Okay. What do we talk with? Question mark. What do we talk with? The answer is we talk with our tongue. Okay. We talk with our tongue. Shall we write? We talk with our tongue. Full stop. Okay, we talk with the tongue. Okay. Eighth question. So they have given the words hold things, hands. Hold things, hands. So to hold things, we are using hands, isn't it? We will use hands to hold things. So how to frame question? What do we hold things with? What do we hold things with? Shall we write? What do we hold things with? Question mark. What do we hold things with? The answer is we hold things with our hands. We hold things with our hands. Shall we write? So we hold things with our hands. Full stop. We hold things with our hands. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one, ninth one. Touch things, fingers. Touch things, fingers. So, how do we touch things? By using fingers, isn't it? So, what is the question? What do we touch things with? What do we touch things with? What do we touch things with? Question mark. What do we touch things with? Question mark. The answer is we touch things with our fingers. We touch things with our fingers. So the answer is we touch things with our fingers. Full stop. We touch things with our fingers. Have you all copied down? Yes. The 10th one. Eat, mouth. Eat, mouth. So what is the question? Can you? Yes. What do we eat with? What do we eat with? So what do we eat with? Question mark. What do we eat with? The answer is we eat with our mouth. We eat with our mouth. Shall we write? We eat with our mouth. Full stop. We eat with our mouth. Is it clear? Yes. 11th one. wash soap and water. Wash soap and water. So what is the question? What do we wash with? Okay. What do we wash with? Question mark. What do we wash with? The answer is we wash with soap and water. We wash with soap and water. What is the answer? We wash with soap and water. Full stop. We wash with soap and water. Okay. The last one. Clean our teeth a toothbrush. So how do you clean your teeth? By using toothbrush, isn't it? How do you clean your teeth? By using toothbrush. So how to frame a question? What do we clean our teeth with? Okay. What do we clean our teeth with? Question mark. What do we clean our teeth with? The answer is we clean our teeth with the toothbrush. We clean our teeth with the toothbrush. Okay. So we clean our teeth with the toothbrush. Full stop. What do we clean with our teeth with? We clean our teeth with a toothbrush. Is it clear, children? Is it very easy? Yes? Yes. So copy down in your active English book. Okay? So write it neatly. Okay, children? Study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay? Thank you.